Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Life, and I want to thank you guys for stopping by my YouTube channel on today. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing, you guys. We're going to be unboxing these blow-up inflatable. They're like twin couch inflatable blow-up beds, you guys. We're going to check them out today on this YouTube video right here on my channel, you guys. But I want to let you guys know that I did order this. What is it called? Let me look down here in the box. I got the box right here beside me. So it's an Intex pull-out. They're calling it an Intex pull-out chair. You can see, you saw the picture right there when you clicked on the thumbnail. But this is an Intex pull-out chair. We're going to be unboxing it, blowing it up, showing you guys what it looks like to sit in it, to pull it out as an actual bed and things like that. But one of the things when you order it, or I ordered it online at Amazon. And so you guys, if you do order this off of Amazon, it does not come with the air pump. You can get it bundled as a package to get it with the air pump. I didn't get the air pump with it. I just ordered the air pump separately. So I will leave a link down in the description below to everything that you do see in the video today. So this air pump by Ozark Trail will be down in the description. I did purchase this 120 volt air pump, and it has, I think, about maybe 3 different valves on it too, and a large open air chamber too. So I had to get this so I can blow this bad boy up. All right, you guys, so let's get into this video. Let's go. All right, you guys, so like I said, I did order 2, so this is actually what I ordered here. I ordered the Intex pull-out couch, you guys. I ordered 2 of them. Came in this nice box. It's a little bit weighty to it, and I got 2 of them, so it's a little bit of weight. If you buy yourself, you might need some help bringing this in the house. So we're just gonna unbox this and get it started and get it blown up. All right, you guys, let's go on this journey and let's see what it's all like. This, guys, because it just seemed like it'd be very convenient. It can function as a blow-up chair that you can use anywhere, and it can actually function as like a twin bed. It can be good for camping, good for outdoors, good for just sitting around the house. If you need some extra space to sit, you need a space for somebody to sit and chill and possibly fall asleep, hey, you got it all right here in this 2-for-1 deal.
previously stated in the video, everything that you see today will be down in the description down below with an Amazon link for this inflatable pull-out sofa chair and for the blow-up pump that I used in the video. As you can see, you guys, I'm about 5'6", and as you can see, I have lots of room here to lay down, stretch out. You can see it has 3 different areas that you have to blow up from the chair, and then the 2 parts that come out, you do have to blow each one of those up separately. The air valves on the chair do have extra wide openings for fast inflating and fast deflating. We ended up getting these to use temporarily until our furniture comes, but we do realize that these will come in very handy for when we're having guests over, to use in our garage, to use outdoors, and to use for camping. These have plenty of space. The versatile pull-out sofa seat offers an affordable and comfortable 2-in-1 sleeping solution, and it inflates in minutes. The chair and bed is very durable, offering seating and bedding for at least 1 person up to 220 pounds, as well as the box. When it's in the box, it's about 11.5 pounds. One of the great features of this chair is that it does have an actual cup holder. I'm trying to put my bottle in there, but it doesn't fit that well, but it does fit actual cups in the cup holder. I got 2 of these chairs for my family, as well as I got the queen blow up couch that's also a let out bed. You guys can check that video out. I'll leave that down in the description, as well as it'll scroll across the screen up above. But again, this was a good buy for us. My family, we plan to get a lot of use out of this for, you know, on the go travel, and for when we have visitors come in, and just for using it for extra seating out in our garage once our furniture actually comes. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out that video of the couch too. All right, peace.